Need to find a Gmail account using just a phone number? Here's a quick guide. Open your preferred browser, then navigate to the website accounts.google.com. Now over here you're gonna find your account. What you will need to do is click on the profile icon given at the top right. Here you're gonna find the list of the Gmail accounts that you are currently logged in your device. You will need to click on the option Add another account. Now click on Use another account. You will be redirected to Sign In page. Click on the option Forgot Email. Now go ahead and type in the phone number linked to the Gmail account and hit Next. Provide the first and last name associated with the account, then hit Next. Google will ask you to send a verification code. Click Send. Receive the code on your phone, enter it and hit Next. And that's it. Google will show you the Gmail accounts linked to that phone number based on the information you provided. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.